Welcome to my English class. English for everyone. Today we study about daily sentences. Let's learn.
I am running. I am running.
I am walking. I am walking. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am washing. I am washing.
I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing. I am studying.
Can you explain this fraction?
I am
Sure.
studying.
Just divide.
I am shopping at the market. I am shopping at the market. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. I am washing my hands.
Scrub, scrub, make bubbles.
I
Hey,
am
bubbles.
washing my hands. I am driving a car. I am driving a car.
Fish and turtle are swimming in the pool. Fish and turtle are swimming in the pool.
A boy is catching rabbit. A boy is catching rabbit.
A boy is playing baseball. A boy is playing baseball.
A boy is playing football. A boy is playing football.
I am
Hey,
riding a
this
bike
is
in
so
the
much
park.
fun. Look at the trees.
I
go
am
by.
riding a bike in the park.
I am jumping on the grass. I am jumping on the grass.
I am laughing. I am laughing.
Helping. Helping.
I am studying math. I am studying math. I am working. I am working.
I am clapping. I am clapping.